This is Jake. He's a rescue dog from Adopt a Pet in Shelton. He's been with us for less than 2 weeks. He came here to get some training because he was biting at the leash and nipping at the people at the end of the leash, and he's made great progress. So we want to show you how well he's doing with his training.
Yep. Sit. Yep. Yep. Sit. Yes. Yep. Yep. Sit. Yes.
He's doing really good.
Yep. Yep. Sit. Sit. That was my fault. I moved the leash. Yep. Easily distracted. Sit. Yes. Yep. Sit. Yes. Yep. Sit. Yep. Sit. Yes.
You want to tell us a little bit about Jake?
Well, we're using yes instead of a clicker. Otherwise, it's pretty much straight clicker training. But we're using yes